Hey, yo, what up? We back with another episode with BR Green. It's BR Green. BR Green like the money. You know. Anyways, in all seriousness though, again, giving y'all some information, some game raw and uncut. And today what I'm going to talk about is one of my favorite books because I'm big on reading. And if you ain't reading, you losing. Go read. Get you a book, an audio book. It doesn't matter. Start reading. Reading is game. Listen to Todd Shaw. If you know what he said, if you know who that is, he said books and it's all the same. You know the name. It's forever in the game. Come on, man, put it together. We've been trying to deliver this information for so long, but people don't soak it up. You have too much time on your hands if you're not reading. Go educate yourself. I'm telling you, reading is a game changer. Now, the book that I'm going to talk about, a lot of people probably already know about this book. And again, I'm giving y'all some game because if you don't know about it, you late to the game, but like they say, it's better late than never. But the game don't wait. So get on it. The book that I'm talking about is Think and Grow Rich. Now, I know a lot of y'all probably heard of it, but this is one of my favorite books. I've read this book and listened to the audio probably over 50 times, for sure, minimum. And I've been applying this theory and the practices from this book for years. And it's part of the main reason why I'm where I'm at in life and why I think the way I think and how I move the way I move. Now, I'm not going to tell you what the book is about, but it's pretty self-explanatory. Think and grow rich. Use your mind to bring the wealth and to bring all of your desires to fruition. One of the key concepts in this book is burning desire. If you don't have a burning desire to become wealthy or to achieve your success, then you're probably not going to get it. I have a burning desire and always had a burning desire. But you have to have that feeling and that desire inside to go get it. It's going to be everything. But back to the book. It's by Napoleon Hill. Great read. My recommendation is to read it and apply the different practices and theories within that book. If you read it more than once, you're going to find so many different gems, on and on and on. And I started reading this book when I was young. I came across this book because my dad had it in his his library of books that I doubt he ever read. I just found it and it said Think and Grow Rich, and I knew that I wanted it. I knew I wanted to be a millionaire since I was young. I found that book, read it, and started applying things. I used to, from this book, they teach you about like the power of writing things down, writing down your burning desires, and constantly reminding yourself that subconscious, application, constantly doing things. And I used to have this $1 bill taped above my bed that said I would be a millionaire. And I remember my cousin, he's probably gonna watch this. He used to laugh at me about this. We used to joke about this. Oh, you gonna be a millionaire? I put that there to remind myself every night. Before I fell asleep, I would see that dollar bill. And when I wake up, that'd be the first thing I saw. Couple decades later, man, I'm sitting on $1 million, man, cracked my first man real quick. You know what I mean? And it came from that type of burning desire. So my point that I'm making is like, again, the book, Think and Grow Rich, it talks about like constantly, consistently, and persistently pushing and driving your burning desires. If that desire is not burning, you don't want it bad enough. And to be honest, I'm not even close to where I want to be yet. So I'm going to keep going. I'm going to keep going nonstop. And you have to be the same. Well, I'm not saying you have to be the same way, but it's going to behoove you to have that burning desire and to recognize that burning desire and start thinking to grow rich, to manifest all of your wants and your needs and your desires. Again, I got a list of books, man. That book was just something that I stumbled across when I was around like between 8 and 10. It's a big read, but I knew I wanted what the book was talking about, and I've been applying it ever since. I highly recommend you get on it. Napoleon Hill's Think and Grow Rich. Thank me later. I have a lot of other books that have been passed down through various mentors, but I can't give you all that sauce yet. Right now, we're going to start with one, Think and Grow Rich. If you've already read it, what's one of the key takeaways that you got from the book? Throw something in the comments below. Like, I want to know what this book has done for you if you've read it. Again, for me, I think the biggest thing was acknowledging my burning desires and then persistently and consistently pursuing them no matter what. And constantly focusing on my subconscious and practicing and molding and shaping and growing my subconscious to be able to always work towards my goals, whether I'm awake or whether I'm asleep. That's all I think about. And that's how I pursue things. That's why I don't burn out, because I'm burning inside to make this happen. So again, just a quick little knowledge drop. Think and Grow Rich. I'm not getting paid to say this, obviously. I'm just telling you from experience, like everything else that I talk about on my videos. It's all experience-based. Great read. I always read it. I have it on my coffee table. I listen to it over and over and over again because there's so many jewels and gems in there that I learn something new every time. So go get the book if you have Audible or whatever you read on Kindles, etc. Download it first, or go buy the physical, tangible piece so you can flip through it and highlight things. But I promise you, all of the greats, all of the millionaires, not all of them, but a preponderance of millionaires and influencers who are doing things similar or talking about these life things have read this book, Think and Grow Rich. The last thing I'll say about that book is that it's based on practices from so many millionaires. I don't want to say it word for word, but like it was based on studies from different millionaires that this writer went and sat down and talked to and learned from and got their best practices. So you can't go wrong. You know what I mean? Once you have the sauce, you have the sauce. You make it and make it work. So go get the book, Think and Grow Rich. Leave some comments in this video about like what that book means to you, some key takeaways, what you learned from it. If you haven't, go get it and read it, and then come back and leave some comments, ask questions, let's talk about it. Think and Grow Rich. Go think and grow rich, man. Start reading. Y'all wasting so much time by not reading. Reading is a game changer. Y'all rather scroll through social media, look at the little baddies, talk about the new apps or follow new trends. Man, what you don't realize is when you read, man, they can't take this away. The game that you get is right there, man. Books and, you feel me, is where it's at. So get to it. Go think and grow rich, and thank me later. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. We're going to talk about some more games, some more jewels, drop some gems, however you want to do it. We're going to see y'all. I appreciate y'all watching. Like this video. Comment on this video. Subscribe to the channel. Share the video. Do whatever you want to do, because I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm going to keep coming. So I'll see you on the other side. If not, y'all gonna see me dead on the ground on my way up, or you're going to see me at the top waving down like I made it, big baby. Anyways, I'll see y'all later, man. Thanks for watching. Peace.